Hey guys, welcome. So, how do you set up your TikTok shop showcase? Now, this is going to be a really simple process, so bear with me. Now, in here on your actual account here, you can just basically promote. Click on promote, and you're going to be on your way on your showcase. Okay, so like what type of content it is. You can make profile views. Yeah, you can basically pay for. On my country's revenue was 25 pesos for 400 plus promotion pack, but in sort of like all basically showcases, you basically first have to link in your account to the actual sell the seller center itself in order for you to effectively use your showcase, because some people do it without TikTok shop, but it's really good if you have this one. Thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.